So this, as you can see, this is my withdrawal from Avive network. So as you can see, I'm having 1,111 Avive here, and it's currently worth $86. It's so unfortunate that I couldn't withdraw on the first day. I would have cashed out around $150 from it, but it's okay. It's still money, and I'm still very happy that I benefited from the first batch, second batch airdrop of Avive. So I just want to use this to motivate you guys to know that mining apps pay. Imagine now, the rest of the 2 years coming, they will be airdropping me every month with the remaining percentage, remaining 85% that remains. They will be dropping it to me, and I'm not gonna touch that one. I'm going to stake it for the future. It's going to be there even if it is 3 years, 2 years, but I'm going to make a very good amount of money from it. But as for these ones, I'm going to squander it. I'm going to use it to do something. Either I use it to buy coins, or I will just use it for this festive season. Already 2 days coming is Christmas, and it's going to be surplus. So let me just use this opportunity to tell you guys, take mining project serious. And in today's video, I'm going to introduce you guys to the next big project that is going to make a very good wave. I've launched with a little price. The last project that launched, according to this particular project that I'm about to show you guys, launched to $6 before actually begin to drop to whatever price it is today. And the project is none other one apart from this our OpenEX. So OpenEX is another project that is being mined in Satoshi app. I have been promoting this Satoshi app, if not 2 years ago now, and I've made money from it. The first airdrop that came out from it, I cashed out $200 and I made a live video showing it to you guys. That is from core. And now I've cashed out again this particular one, this particular Avive. I've cashed out $83 from it, and other airdrop, the other one I cashed out around $150 from it. So why am I making this video? I'm making this video for you guys to know. For those of you that are mining this particular OpenEX, remember its estimated time for withdrawal is by March next year, and estimated time for stopping is going to be by April next year. So try your best. As you can see, the mining is almost over. It's now 69.50% of the actual coin that is given to miners to be adopted to miners. So how do you do it? It's very simple. Follow the link in the description of this video. In case you have not signed up to this particular project, follow the link to it. Go ahead and sign up, do your face verification, and activate your airdrop. If you don't know how to do it, hit me on WhatsApp, join my WhatsApp group, and I will lead you through. Very easy and very free. I'm not gonna charge anybody for it. It's very simple. So if you don't know how to do it, try your best to join my WhatsApp group with the link in the description of this video and start mining. And for those of you that are mining it, don't forget, please, I prayed with you, don't forget to always come to your account at least twice or once a day to click on this particular claim button so that you will claim your mined airdrop. Reason, because if it reach 25 round of unclaimed airdrop, automatically it's going to suspend for you, just like some of these my downliners that are here that is showing awaited or suspended or something like that. So try your best to always be active so that any amount that you mine so far is going to be dropped to you. And again, in case you are one of the people that can refer, it's good to refer, so because they are giving out another coin. So let me look for let me check if I have any referral bonus here. For those of you something like this, now they are giving out core 0.18. as you can see, I just earned 0.185372 pieces of core. So if you go over to my account, you see that I have earned 50.37 pieces of this core, and this particular one is called down, and I'm expecting it to be launched, or to also launch by next year when OpenEX is going to launch. So I'm going to cash out on this one, and I'm also going to cash out on OpenEX. So I think I've briefed you guys on this particular project. Don't play with Satoshi, don't play with this particular one. I'm still earning from core that we mined the other time. I'm still earning some percentage from it every single day, and I still have a balance of 90 pieces of core. All these things, I'm going to keep it on my wallet, leaving it one by one, so that whenever the coin will explode and make a good amount of money, I'm gonna be one of the biggest millionaires that made money from it free. And you can also do it if you really take it serious. So before ending this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to other projects that I believe that are going to do well. As for this particular one is called Eyes Network. I made a video about it. You can check the video in my channel. You will see the video that I made about it. Eyes mining is also targeting to launch on this particular bull run that's about to come. Don't play with this particular project, and if you have not added your wallet, go ahead and copy your Ethereum wallet from your MetaMask, OKS wallet, or Trust wallet, and put it here, your Ethereum wallet address, copy it and enter it here, so that when the time for the distribution come, you will be earning from it. So ice mining is also legit, and don't play with it. And the last but not least for this video now is this particular one called Immortal. The name of the coin is Otter. So how do you do it? Click on this particular place that says start mine, and as you can see, I have earned one for the day again. And as you can see, my total balance here is 1,382, and I'm still earning from it. So there are a lot of ways to earn from it. You can watch series of video, but make sure you sign up and start mining this particular project now. So I hope I've given you guys the valuable information on this video. If you got value from it, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more updates, and join my WhatsApp group for any updates before even coming to YouTube. Once again, my name is Zubi King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.